It's Friday night and neither of us are really in the mood to cook. So we're ordering Domino's pizza to deliver to our house, and I just want to show you guys what the website looks like and what we're ordering. Japan Domino's is really good pizza. We haven't really tried any of the interesting toppings yet. We're more of a, we play it safe and get cheese and pepperoni, but they have like some Christmas pizzas that have like shrimp.
Oh, you gotta show this
on it. What is this?
This is the live pizza tracker.
Oh. I don't know if that's normal or not. We didn't really order pizza back home that often, so I don't know. So live pizza tracker, we just ordered it. It's gonna change when it's received, right?
It will.
Are we gonna wait for it to change?
Oh no.
Oh.
I was just showing you.
I thought we were waiting for it to change.
No, I was just showing you.
Okay, I'll hold it here so we can watch it. There we go. Are we gonna select our sides? Okay, so the last time I got, oh, they have ones with butter sauce. I like.
You got these consomme flavored ones.
Yeah,
right?
those ones, they're like chicken flavored.
The chicken broth flavored.
Yeah,
right?
they're really good. I liked those. But if you want to try something else, we can talk about it.
I mean, you saw those.
Okay, so they have Chicky grilled chicken nuggets. You can get petite pancakes, salad, Haagen-Dazs. I don't want that, but I didn't know that they had that. A custard pie, apple pie, Lovin' fondant chocolate cake, buffalo wings. I think that's probably normal. I didn't really order Domino's a lot back home. Oh, allergen information: wheat, pork, chicken, and soybean. This is what the Domino's website looks like on my end, and I already have it switched to English. They have set deals, which I feel like is pretty normal at other Domino's pizza places. I'm most interested in looking at the actual menu to seeing what kind of pizzas that they have. It looks like right now they're running 3 luxury winter sets. There's set A, set B, and set C. Set A is going to come with 2 medium pizzas, 2 roasted chickens, and then a crepe. Set B is coming with 2 medium pizzas, 2 chickens, and then set C is coming with 2 medium pizzas and 3 favorite side menu items. And it looks like it comes with drinks, but hard to say. Now, I don't know what it means when it says like campaign pizza, or what it means when it says it's supervised by a star chef. So if anybody knows how to explain that to me, please let me know. But this pizza looks like a big combination pizza. It's coming with roasted chicken and Hokkaido camembert, which Hokkaido is actually known for their cheese. I'm sure I'm saying the cheese wrong. It's coming with shrimp, fluffy Omar sauce, smoked turkey, 5 kinds of mellow cheese sauce, and a combination of direct fire steak and garlic. This one also has Hokkaido cheese, and it's coming with chicken, cheese, peppers, Italian sausage, cherry tomatoes, and white sauce. This one actually sounds really good. Plump shrimp and fluffy Omar sauce. I don't know what Omar sauce is, but it looks like they're using it a lot. So it's coming with shrimp, Omar sauce, onion, asparagus, and then a white sauce as well. And this one has grilled steak, garlic, double spinach tomato sauce, and it says that the beef of the grilled steak uses processed meat. Interesting. New York pizza. This is the one that my husband and I normally get. It's a seafood special. So it has shrimp, octopus, mussels, clams, trabeculae. I don't know what that is. Peppers, tomatoes, Parmesan cheese, tomato. Oh my gosh. It also says that the mussels may have hair-like substances attached to them, but they're eaten with fibers. Oh, interesting. Teriyaki chicken, teriyaki sauce, spinach, mayonnaise, corn, and tomato. This one has beef ribs on it. The Genovese has ham, potato, garlic, and cheese with a basil sauce. That actually sounds really good. This one is a mayonnaise pizza, which has potatoes, sausage, double mayonnaise, parsley, and tomato sauce. You know what? There's a girl we follow each other on Instagram called Lisa in Japan. Her photography is beautiful. She said that the shrimp and mayonnaise with corn is really good. So I actually need to make sure I try this next time. Now that we've gone through the menu, I'm about to show you the rest of our evening, like ordering the pizza and meeting with the delivery man and what that interaction looks like. But I want to know from you guys, like, if you want to see another video of me trying some of the interesting pizzas. I kind of want to try the shrimp, mayonnaise, and corn pizza. Where I come from in the United States, we just don't have a cool menu like this. I feel like it's just pretty plain after seeing a menu like this. Like, this is exciting pizza to me. It's normally like pepperoni, cheese, and there's like a hot debate about like pineapple and ham. But to see like a whole chicken on the menu, it's kind of crazy, especially for the holidays. So let me know in the comments, like, what does Domino's look like where you live? Like, does anything on the menu look interesting to you? Is anything the same or different? Or like, what do you want to see me try in a future video? Because I think that would be really, really fun. Hey bud, you ready to smell some pizza? You're not gonna get any, but you'll smell some. I don't know the importance of it cooking at this temperature, but there's a safety seal which assures we're the first people to open the pizza box. We got the New Yorker set, which comes with the large New York pizza, a drink in any side for 3,099 yen, plus tax. It was about 3,346 yen, which is about 30 US dollars, give or take a little bit. The easiest way to do conversions is you put the decimal here and then you move it over twice. And then it's a little bit less. That's honestly the easiest way to do that. This is a GPS driver tracker. It's obviously not running yet because he's not here or on the way.
Great commentary.
But look how cute it is. So this is actually what they're gonna drive to our house in. They have these like cute little scooters and they just roll up. It's super adorable. I don't know if anyone's interested in seeing what the money looks like. It's really pretty. This is a little bit less than 50 US dollars. This one is a little less than 100 US dollars. This is the back. And Nippon is Japan. So Nippon or Nihon is actually Japan in Japanese. Fun fact for you guys. This is a little less than 10 US dollars. There's Fuji-san. So it's Fuji and Sakura cherry blossoms. It's pizza time. Hey. Hi.
Okay.
Oh, arigato. Kawaii.
Good boy.
I'm editing the video right now and I just wanted to mention that this delivery person has come to our house a handful of occasions. He's super, super nice, and anytime he comes to deliver stuff, he tries to like interact with our dog, but he also really tries to practice his English, which is just really, really sweet. So he'll repeat things that we say, which is super normal because when I'm speaking to Japanese people, if they say something that I've never heard before or I want to practice, like, I repeat what they're saying. So we're kind of having a moment interacting like culturally, which is just like super, super, I don't know, it's really cute and wholesome.
I have to go to this. Have a nice.
Good night. Bye bye.
Have a good weekend.
Oh, arigatou gozaimasu. Bye bye. Oh, his English was good.
Did he say have a good weekend?
Yeah, he said have a good weekend. And he goes, I have the dog too. Got the pizza. I feel like it looks normal. I don't, just like normal pizza. And then the potatoes, which are like chicken flavored. They're really good. This is not for you, but I'd like to say thank you for being nice to the gentleman. You did good. Watch how cool this is. It's a Christmas Coke. Isn't that amazing? It's like my favorite thing to show people. So when you guys see me do this again in my 7-Eleven holiday Christmas thing, you saw it here first. It's awesome. And you can also wrap it, you can wrap it back up. But this is what I sent home to family and friends because it's really cool.
I'm walking around feeling free, thinking about what's happened to me from July up till now. Don't know where, don't know how.
How's that pizza, bro?
Good, bro.
Hey, would you drink it out of a different glass, please?
No, I told you I'm drinking everything out of this glass. This is cute. This Christmas. We need to get you a Christmas cup. That's your problem. I think you're just jealous.
I'm very mug specific.
Well, then we need to find you a Christmas mug.
Lately I've come to realize that I can see it in your eyes, so it's true. I'm so glad you feel it too. Nothing to hide.
As I mentioned earlier, we just get normally just cheese and pepperoni pizza. It's just a classic for us. But if you guys are interested in seeing us, and when I say us, probably just me trying the more interesting things on the Japanese Domino's menu, let me know. Would you try any of the interesting stuff like the shrimp and cheese pizza?
Nope.
Or they have some with corn on them that look good. Today we're in Hiroshima and we're here to see the illumination lights.
Let's go to the ocean. Yeah, let's go outside. We can hang out on the beach with our freedom.